we have here Sandy Davidson, Majoy Baron, Coach Red Report, and Mika Reyes of the PLPE High State Interest won in 5 sets against the Dreamline Bulls. Coach, congratulations on this win. Na-break niyo yung winning streak ng Dreamline, and most importantly, you guys got the win. What can you say about how you performed tonight?
Siguro very happy na lahat na-contribute from the bench to the starters. Naging balance eh. So, yun nga, long game na nakakapagod pero niraos. So, very proud sa naging gawin.
Thank you, Coach. And for Savvy, best player of the game with 34 points. Personally, what was your motivation heading into this game and just helping you get the win?
Just to win, honestly. Whatever it took. We were super focused from the start. We knew it was going to be a hard game, but we pulled through. Never gave up, so I'm really proud of what we did today.
Thank you, Sandy. And for Majoy and Mika, middles, grabe rin yung naging contributions nyo in this game. Ano lang masasabi niyo sa naging panalo nyo to, especially against Dreamline?
Ako proud ako sa teamwork namin today kasi lahat talaga tulong-tulong kami and yung quality ng mga rallies and ng laro.
To be honest, medyo bumaba yung parang baga nawala kami for a while nung nawala rin si Daniel. So I think naging motivation yun for the whole team para mag-push ng this.
Savvy, it took everything and more for you guys to get the win tonight. So you've been contributing all throughout the conference and progressing PLDT, but with this game, what did this game in particular show about the kind of team PLDT really is moving forward?
Just the hard work and dedication that we put in every day. You know, it was represented thoroughly throughout this game, and like I said, you know, we work hard in practice. You know, by ourselves like nobody really knows. So I'm glad that it was represented through this game today.
For Majoy and Mika, nung set 4 and 5, yung pagpasok ni Kiana, yung pagpasok ni Kim, yung pagsasama-sama niyo, kumbaga naging malaking push yun sa dulo para makuha yung panalo. So, yung connection ba na yun, parang naging natural na lang pa kanina na sobrang nagsisimplang talaga kayo hanggang sa nakuha niyo na kayong panalo.
Yung pagpasok ni Ate Kim and ni Kiana, pero malaking bagay din yun kasi for me, ako may connection talaga ako kay Ate Kim and alam ko kailan niya ako gagamitin and lagi na ako ready doon.
Sabi nga ni Kiana kanina paglabas namin, sabi niya, DNS yung feels daw. Sabi ko, nga, no?
Win hard.
For Coach Rob, medyo naging mahirap din po yung mga round 1 para sa inyo. Maraming ups pero may mga down din. Itong win na to, Coach, gano'n siguro kaiba yung pakiramdam nito para sa kahit anong panalo. Kung may extra special ba na green line, 5 sets, at totoong all-around performance ang binigay nyo?
Yun nga, pilit namin, ano lang naman talaga siya, bunga lang siya ng paghihirap. May mga big games kaming hindi nakapag-deliver. So happy kami na at least kahit pa paano nagkasabay-sabay this game. Ayun na lang, bonus na lang talaga din na gano'n yung nilaro namin with the defending champions.
Coach Rod, can you talk to us about yung decision na ipasok si Kiana nung 4th tapos nung 5th set? Lalo na nung 5th set niya, naka-huge block siya doon. Parang gano'ng kalaking boost lang din ba yun sa team for the players?
Well, actually, binabalance pa kasi namin din yung minutes ni Kiana. Nakatawa rin talaga kanina na in terms of blocking naman, makakatulong din siya. Saka yung presence itself, nandun siya. So, sinugal na rin dahil kami na rin yung nag-aalangan ng time na yun. So, at least nagbuwan naman yung sugal.
Sabi, it took everything, I guess, for you to be able to beat a Dreamline team that, healthy and complete. I guess, for you, just what's the feeling of beating them twice as compared to, the many teams that have tried but have failed to do so?
I think this one was extra special because it took every single one of us, from the bench to the people on the court. And Coach was able to shuffle in a lot of people, and especially shout out to Isa. She hasn't gotten on the court much this year, but she really pulled through for us and got this win for us. I'm really proud of her. I think like I said, it's a team effort. You know, regardless of what I do, everybody showed up today.
Coach, yung pagbunot ko siguro nga ng napakarami kong players sa bench kanina nung humahaba na yung treatment. Kumbaga parang on-the-spot decision na lang po ba yun during yung moments na nagkahap o humahaba yung clean line o kumbaga planado nyo rin po na at some point babalasakin nyo rin talaga yung players nyo.
Well, yun naman yung goal talaga sa atin, magkaroon ng team na kompleto from the starters to the bench. Yun naman din yung hinihinging goal sa mga tao. Yun nga, buti na lang din talaga nag-perform lahat. So, kahit pa paano, literal na buong team yung nag-perform na maayos.
Coach, you have big wins no for PLDT, tapos malapit na rin matapos yung preliminary. So, paano ba lang makakatulong to head into your last game?
Siguro yung tulong niya na meron na kaming baon na nakapag-perform ng big games. Siguro yung talaga yung pinaka-importante. Saka yung tiwala, saka yung bilid na kaya mapagsabayan talaga kung kakayanin. Kung nagtrabaho talaga ng lahat.
Thank you, Coach.